Welcome back to Make It Mental, everybody, in the bodybuilding series. Making a custom RC vehicle body for my Red Cat Racing short course truck. And this is what I got going on so far. I've never done this before. For those of you just joining me, what I've done to correct some alignment issues is I've taken my rotary tool, I put a couple of slices, and I've just simply pulled things up and re-glued them with some hot glue. And I've made a new front end or a new front block. This is just temporary. This is nothing that you see here is the final form, right? This is just, you have to build a foundation, a basic form to get started with. So I've got it sitting fairly level visually, at least according to these two holes here. When I tilt it up this way, it looks like the hood is in fairly good alignment this way. When I look at the back side here, the back of the cab, it looks like it's pretty good. The windows are doing pretty good. So now, before we get to a final assembly, I've made another piece right here that will cover that. That will get hot glued in place. We'll sand it, bevel it, round over edges. There will always be sanding and detailing involved in the building process, aligning. That just seems to be the norm. Be prepared for that. But foam board is cheap. You should be having fun. If you're getting frustrated, take a break or just make another piece. I mean, this is just a learning experience to be creative, to do something custom. For example, in my case, I want a body that I cannot buy. At least what I see in my head, it is not available. So I'm going to do my best to make that happen according to the vision in my head. And we'll see. I want 20s and 30s era type theme with modern twist, maybe a cowl induction hood, or maybe a blower motor, or maybe a fake motor in the back. I don't know yet, but those details will be worked out in the end. So you're always thinking things through, and it's sitting very tall intentionally because eventually all of this will get cut off to sit more level with the chassis. I just took some basic cuts, some 4-inch cuts on my table saw. You don't need a table saw, you can use a razor knife and a straight edge. That way I got a foundation, something straight, something I know is consistent to work with. And then I'm just building it up from there. This hood is from another vehicle that was not important at all. I just wanted something to start with. None of that's important. You can start with raw foam board. All you have to do is have a pen and a vision.